hang around, hide or stay in a place. We hung around the park. Hang on, wait or hold on. Hang on, I will check. Hang out, spend time relaxing or socializing. I love to hang out with friends. Hang up, end a phone call. I need to hang up now. Hangover, last or affect someone for a period. The storm hung over us. Hang back, stay or remain behind. She hung back from speaking. Hang in, persist or endure. She is hanging in despite all the stress at work. Hang down, drop or hang loosely. Her long hair hung down her back like a silky curtain. Hang about, linger around or stay in a place. The kids were hanging about the park, chatting and playing games. Hang together, remaining in a group or with people. We need to hang together. Hang on to, hold tightly. Hang on to your phone. Hang with, spend time with or socialize. I am hanging with friends tonight. Hang over something, affect something or someone for a period. The rain hang over us. Hang around with, stay around people. He hangs around with his friends. Hang on to, hold on tightly to something. Hang on to your ideas. Hang it, be present or remain in a location. She will hang at the cave. Hang after, follow someone or something. They hung after the party. Hang through, persist or manage through. We hung through the tough times. Hang over someone, affect someone emotionally. The fear hung over him. Hang for, wait eagerly. I can't hang for long. Hang on to, keep holding on to something. Hang on to your dreams. Hang about with, linger around with a person or place. We used to hang out with our neighbors at the park every evening. Hang about for, stay around or wait for something. I will hang about a bit. Hang over someone's head, threaten or be a looming danger. The tension hung in the room. Hang out with, spend time with or engage socially. Let's hang out soon. Hang on to, hold tightly for safety. Hang on to the railing while climbing the stairs. Hang back from, stay behind or refrain from moving forward. She stayed behind and didn't join the group. Hang out to dry, to leave someone in a difficult or vulnerable situation without support. The manager blamed the failure on his team and hung them out to dry in the meeting. Hang in the balance. Handle a task slowly or carefully. The election results hang in the balance with only a few votes left to count. Hang in mid-air. Something is uncertain, incomplete, or in suspense. The helicopter hovered, hanging in midair above the rescue site. Hang over someone's shoulder often refers to closely watching someone, usually in a way that feels intrusive or controlling. My boss was hanging over my shoulder all day, checking every little thing I did. Hang off. To hesitate or delay doing something. She was hanging off making a decision until she had more information. Hang like a cloud. Describes something that lingers or looms over a situation. The smoke from the fire hung like a cloud over the city. Hang to the left or right, to something being positioned or leaning to one side, either to the left or right. When we walk, my backpack hangs to the left. Hang through with. Continuing through something challenging. Even though the homework is hard, you need to hang in there and finish it. Hang around after. To stay somewhere for a while after an event or activity has finished. She likes to hang around after school to play with her friends. Hang over the edge, suspend or hang loosely. Her feet hung over the edge of the swing as she went higher. Hang loose. To relax, stay calm or take things easy. After the busy day, it's time to hang loose and watch a movie. Hang one's hat on. Rely on something or place your trust or confidence in it. She hangs her hat on her art skills because she loves drawing. Hang at ease. To feel relaxed, comfortable, and confident. I always feel at ease in my grandmother's house. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.